react with sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, to form blue precipitate of copper hydroxide and sodium sulfate. In the experimental, 15.95 gram of copper sulfate react with 8 gram of sodium hydroxide to form 9.75 gram of copper hydroxide. Okay, and 14.2 gram of sodium sulfate. That is the chemical equation CuSO4 plus 2NaOH from CuOH whole 2, that is pale blue precipitate, and sodium sulfate Na2SO4. Show the video against this.